this was a fantastic experience. It was very deep. Everyone was totally involved. Doing groups like this, therapy groups, is something that has been an essential part of being with Osho, and it's something I've missed for many years because it hasn't been very available. When you do a group like this, you go very deep and very honest, and you get in touch with your thoughts and feelings that affect you, but you're not necessarily aware of. And so doing this kind of group work puts you in touch with parts of yourself that affect your life, and by becoming more aware of them, then you can become more aware day to day. You can let go of some of these issues, and it creates more space inside, more emptiness, and it really deepens your meditation. So doing groups like this are just invaluable. They're so valuable for our lives day to day, and just to become more understanding of ourselves and other people.
Did you like the chai samosa?
Yes, it's wonderful to have chai every day. Food was delicious, good company. Basmati is extremely, she's just wonderful. She's so in tune with what's going on with people. She pursues gently and thoroughly to help people open up where they need to open up, so that they can understand what they need to understand. It's a totally safe environment. So much honesty, warmth, and just support among everyone. It's a wonderful experience. Thank you.